And 11 huge mistakes you can make with Amazon KDP. If I had known 2 years before, I would make more money now. And in this video I want to share with you my experience that I have got for 2 years. So let's go. Mistake number 1. It's fall in love with your design. Obviously, the more time you spend for your design, the more you love it. But try look at your design objectively. First thing, you just can compare your design with other competitors. But also you can just show your design for your family and friends and just ask them for their opinion. And believe me, sometimes it's a good idea before you publish your book on KDP. Mistake number 2. Organic traffic only. I understand you so much. When I started this business 2 years ago, I didn't want to spend any dollar at all. But only after 3 months I realized that I need to spend some money because it's business and you need to invest some money. And after this my sales increased so much. In addition, you can use other free tools, for example, social media. 2 years ago when I started this business, for example, TikTok wasn't so interesting thing, but now it's very high level social media that you can use for free and promote your books on Amazon KDP. Mistake number 3. Rely on your 1, 2 or maximum 3 books and waiting for the money. Of course, you may lucky and you can start earn your money from your first book. But come on guys, you need to understand that this is a long-term business and that's why you need to spend some time, create some amount of books. It can be 2, 3 books, even 10. For example, I made more than 400 books. That's why remember, this is not a sprint, this is a marathon. And this leads us to mistake number 4. It's giving up too soon. And it's obvious that you and I want to be rich in a one day, week and so on. But unfortunately, in majority of times, it doesn't work like that. You need to prepare that this is a marathon and you may need some months, even years to make some money from Amazon KDP or from other services. That's why don't try to make money next day. It can lead you to burnout, and believe me, it's not good at all. Mistake number 5. It's mismatching fonts and graphics. Don't try to use as much designs on one single page as you can. The same is for fonts. Don't use more than 2 or 3 fonts. The best way is to stay simple with your images and fonts. Remember mistake number 1? You can show your designs, your images to your family and friends and ask for their opinion. And before we continue, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to this channel if you like such kind of videos, and hit this notification bell to see when I produce the new video. Let's go further. Mistake number 6. It's overcharging. When I started this business, the most popular price was $6.99. Now the average book is around $7.99. But don't try to sell it for $9.99 if your competitors sell less than you. You may say that's the obvious reason, but believe me, I saw so many books on KDP with the price was higher than other competitors and the book was not so good for this price. So try to look from other sides, from customer sides, and understand, would you buy this book as a customer or not? Mistake number 7. Mismatching colors. Some colors doesn't match with each other. There's a color theory that you can read about, or just use Canva. For example, Canva, there's a free tool that you can understand what colors match with other colors. So there you will find some ideas that you can use for your background according to your color of your design, of your main design on your page or on your, for example, cover. Mistake number 8. Put your book in the niche with no demand. If you remember, you need to find such niche with competitors less than 1,000. But there's some reason you need to find that the keyword you put on the search Google bar is related to books that Amazon shows you. You can try it and you will notice that some niches doesn't match with the keywords you put it. Furthermore, you need to find related books and there should be at least 3 books with bestseller ranks less than 300,000, and in this case this niche is good for your book. Mistake number 9, it's copyrighted artworks. This is a vital rule to save your account well. You can't use some Lion King designs, Spider-Man designs and so on. Copyright is a significant thing you need to remember about. You can check it on CPTO website and understand what design you can use or some words on phrases and what not. Mistake number 10, it's boring designs. From video to video, I said you need to be unique. You need to compare with other competitors and create something unique, something that will stand out among other competitors. And it's okay if your first, second and third book won't be so good as you wanted. Just make your next book better than your previous. And book after book you will master yourself, you will become a professional. And mistake number 11, it's underestimating keywords. This is one of the most vital things on promoting your book. The keywords you put in your title, subtitle and selling boxes, it's a significant thing you need to think about. If you put right keywords, you will get best chance to promote your book and rank it on the first page. That's why if you want to know how to search for a right keyword, there is a video that I tell everything in detail, how to find the best keywords for your particular book. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you already gave me a thumb button, then I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.